welcome to India today. How are you feeling?
Very well. Thank you, Sana, for having me. Such a pleasure.
Yes, and it's very rare. I mean, of course, not every show gets to have a season three. Tell me, how do you feel about it?
It's a great feeling, honestly, because when we did season one, we didn't think there'll be a season two and then there'll be a season three. But we are very, very grateful that there is a season two and season three. तो यानी कि लोगों को पसंद आया है शो. Of course, लोगों को पसंद आया है तभी season greenlit होता है. तो I think there's somewhere something was right and we are happy about that. Forever grateful because Niharika का जो character है, it's something that's very close to my heart. So yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah. But tell me, when maybe you got the first briefing about this show, about this character, what was it about it that you signed it, that you decided to take it up?
When this show was being thought of, I think Samar and Sahir came to me, who were the showrunners. Sahir is the director, Samar is the producer of the show early on. At that point, this was for Woot. इनके
Yeah.
दिमाग में idea आया था, and I feel like at that point, women-oriented shows were rare and women-oriented films were rare. This is when OTT was not OTT like today. आज तो इतनी सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें बन रही हैं और इतना सारा काम मिल रहा है सबको which I really really appreciate. But at that point, it was far and few. तो जब ऐसा कुछ आया where I can finally think कि कुछ performance करने का मौका मिलेगा, why would I even think? क्योंकि for actors like us, जब कुछ मीठी होता है तो it goes to those the niche actors जिनको जो कमर्शियल एक्टर्स हैं उनके पास चली जाती है फिल्में, कभी हमारे पास नहीं आती. फिल्में हो या
Yeah.
ओटीटी सब्जेक्ट हो. सो फॉर उस वक्त ओटीटी नया था. आई थिंक प्रोबेबली उस वक्त शायद करीना जी ना करें. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज एक्टर्स, दे वुड हैव
Yeah.
नॉट प्रोबेबली डन इट. So then, it was different scenario. So it came to us, and I'm really lucky that it came to me. And now, obviously, everyone is here on OTT doing so many things, all huge actors. So I feel I was lucky.
Yeah.
Early bird catches.
Catch the best warm
Yeah.
there. Yeah, I'll ask you about this, of course, the, choosing you for this part. But before that, you rightly mentioned, Neha, how there's so much of content right now on OTT. Do you think, as actors, as content creators, it's become more difficult to churn out like better content because people have a like a rally of shows around to pick their pick from?
I'm sure it's difficult because एक तो लोगों का जो अटेंशन स्पैन है वो इतना कम हो गया है. इतना कंटेंट है कि यार यू हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस नाउ कि क्या देखें क्या नहीं देखें. So your content has to be really stand out for getting their attention, So I think अभी वो competition बहुत है. So that's the thing. या तो मुझे लगता है कि अब आपको रियली सॉलिड कंटेंट बनाना पड़ेगा अगर आप चाहते हैं कि लोग आपका कंटेंट देखें, क्योंकि अब हर कोई एक पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है, हर कोई यूट्यूब पे है, हर कोई एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर है. इतना सब कुछ ओटीटी पे हो रहा है. सो आई थिंक यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी गुड विद योर कंटेंट फॉर पीपल टू वॉच योर स्टफ.
Yeah. And Neha, as you rightly mentioned, of course, you proved your worth. You every performances have always been appreciated. Like there have been few films, but everyone has loved whatever you've done. But what do you think today when you sit back and kind of reflect on your career? What has led to lesser offers from the industry? I mean, what do you think has been the reason
Sorry, say that again. What has been the reason for lesser?
for not getting, yeah, lesser opportunities? Like of course with big films,
Yeah.
especially.
Yeah, I think it's the same in every profession. I feel it's very important to be well networked. People want to work with friends, and I don't blame them. People want to work with people they know, whether they are not as talented or they fit in the part or not. But अरे मैं उसको जानता हूँ. I'm going to be comfortable working with. I feel like that's what's a big problem. I feel for actors who are not from the industry because people don't know us. So for them to want to work with an outsider who they don't know, who they're not comfortable with, I don't blame them because we all love our friends, right? So I
Yeah,
feel
well,
like वो शायद उनका mindset होगा, and that can only change when the whole dynamic changes, I feel. So nothing against it. This is a choice I've made to be here. तो जो भी offers आते हैं या जो भी audition successful होते हैं, I'm only grateful because this is my
Yeah.
choice. Because in the larger scheme of things, I love cinema and I want to be part of it. So कोशिश है, and I appreciate the fact that I'm here striving for more, and जो जिसके हिस्से में होता है वही मिलता है.
Yeah.
So it is what it is. But if, inshallah, if things become more, let's say, fair, then things would be different. Yes.
Yeah, but then as actors, does it become a conscious effort to actually network or make friends or be part of camps that we talk about? How does it work, Neha?
So they say it helps to network. They say it helps to be everywhere, and लोग कहते हैं ऐसा कि काम मांग लो. बट यार, आप अगर अपनी पूरी मेहनत लगा के काम करते हैं, तो फिर ऐसा लगता है कि यार आपका योर वर्क शुड टॉक. इफ पीपल रियली वांट टू टेक यू फॉर योर टैलेंट, देन मुझे फिर वो अच्छा लगेगा कि मुझे मेरे काम की वजह से काम मिल रहा है. अगर मुझे शायद मैं बैठ के किसी की चाटुकारिता करूं और कहूं कि यार आप तो जीनियस हैं, आपके साथ पैरों में गिर जाऊं उनके. मैं ये नहीं कह रही काम मांगना बुरी बात है, बट यार उन्हें पता है कि मैं एक्टर हूँ, राइट. अगर मैंने मेरा काम बोलना चाहिए, मेरे काम की वजह से मुझे काम मिलना चाहिए, और किसी और वजह से अगर मुझे काम मिल रहा है तो शायद वो सही नहीं है. एंड आई एम ऑल फॉर इट. तो मुझे समवेयर पता है क्या चीजें हैं, बट मैं वो कर नहीं पा रही हूँ क्योंकि जस्ट द वे आई एम ब्रॉट अप, आई फील लाइक मुझे यही सिखाया गया है कि सही तरीके से अपने गोल तक पहुंचना इज द राइट वे. और मुझे इसलिए अच्छी नींद आती है रात को. शायद अगर मैं शॉर्टकट्स लूं और वहां पहुंच भी जाऊं तो मैं खुद को शायद रिस्पेक्ट ना कर पाऊं. एंड मैंने इतने टाइम में जो रिस्पेक्ट गेन किया लोगों का, ट्रोलर का क्या काम है, अरे तुम्हारी फिल्म फ्लॉप हुई. अरे मेरी फिल्म फ्लॉप हुई है क्योंकि मैं जहां से आई हूँ वहां से यहाँ आने में बहुत मेहनत लगी. यहाँ 10,000 फिल्मों में से एक फिल्म शायद एक आउटसाइडर को मिलती है, वो मुझे मिल गई. अब वो हिट है फ्लॉप है मेरे हाथ में नहीं है भाई. जो हिट फिल्म है उसमें मुझे नहीं कास्ट कर रहे. तो इट्स इन इटसेल्फ अ बिग थिंग फॉर मी. तो I don't pay attention to that. I believe in my hard work, and I believe that whatever, wherever I am, it's मेरी मेहनत का फल है. मैंने खुद से किया है. I'm a self-made woman, which I love, and I appreciate that a lot. तो मैं अपने आप को जब मिरर में देखती हूँ, I feel proud.
Absolutely. But yeah, also, of course, you're a self-made woman, but of course, you had your parents' support. Everyone will talk about that. Maybe you come from a privileged background, and that is why uh, you could make the choices that you wanted to take. Do you agree to that?
When you talk about privilege, if it means that having food on my table and having shelter, yes, I am. I am way more privileged than a person who doesn't know कि यार रात को खाने में खाना मिलेगा या नहीं, रात को खाना मिलेगा, अगले दिन खाना मिलेगा. Yes, I'm privileged. When it comes to saying whether I'm privileged in this line of work, no, I'm not, because my family is not from the film industry. They have no idea what films are, फिल्में कैसे बनती हैं. And I come from an educational family where everyone was studying. And अगर आप बोलो कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है, शायद लोग हंसते मेरी फैमिली में. तो मेरे लिए कहना कि यार मुझे एक्टर बनना है was in itself a very tricky place. So that way, I'm not privileged. I've had to struggle the same as any other person who comes to an industry which you're not familiar with, क्योंकि सब कुछ खुद से सीखना है और सीखने में और समझने में वक्त लगता है. So I think it's been 15 years, but I'm not complaining because I've survived 15 years. Hits or flops, I've survived, and people have loved me and they see my journey. Like when I go back to my hometown, when people look at me and they say, I'm proud of you that you did get there and you're still mentally stable and you've not gone mad. So I feel like that's a victory for me.
You never took an easy way to maybe stir a controversy or get into an affair with another co-star
Yeah,
just to kind of
yeah,
be in the news.
yeah.
Was that because of the background that you have, or it's just the person that you are?
Both. I feel like advice तो बहुत दी गई when they say you need to have a PR and then you probably go. इससे PR क्या होता है, क्योंकि जब हम जहाँ से आते हैं वहाँ PR का कुछ समझ में नहीं आता PR क्या होता है. When you go meet people from the PR industry, they'll say ये बहुत जरूरी है. You have to have an affair with industry kid to be relevant, because आप कोई नहीं हो तो आप किसी ऐसे आदमी से कनेक्ट हो जाओ जो इंडस्ट्री से है, और ये और वो बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाई जाती है. बट I was never that person one. मैं खुद वैसी नहीं हूँ. And then thankfully I'm from a family where I've been taught morally. I feel like it's just how my parents have brought me up, कि हमें सिखाया गया है कि right goal तक पहुंचने के लिए right means लेना जरूरी है. I don't believe in all these shortcuts. I believe in hard work. I believe in perseverance, and I feel like जो अगर मेहनत से जो चीज मिलेगी वो अच्छी चीज है, और जो शायद कुछ शॉर्टकट वॉटकट लेके पहुंच भी जाऊं तो यार इज्जत नहीं है. मेरे लिए इज्जत सबसे जरूरी चीज है, और मुझे लगता है इज्जत ये 15 सालों में मैंने कमाई है. उसके लिए आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल.
It may be wrong. I mean, I'm just asking you out of curiosity, because given that films and art has kind of merged with politics, you come from a specific political family. Do you think has that kind of affected your career in any way? Because there would be people who kind of support different ideologies. Has that happened ever with you?
I feel like when I started off, which was 2012 here in Bollywood, I think my dad won his first election in 2014. So it's we both started at the same time. I feel so. ऐसा नहीं था that he was all powerful at that point, that लोगों को लगे यार आपके डैड तो कांग्रेस से हैं, हम तो opposition party से हैं. उस वक्त शायद ऐसा नहीं था. So I will not say that has anywhere backfired in my whatever. I will say it has clearly to do with people wanting to work with people they know, and you know how it is here in the industry and everywhere else. Yeah, you want to work with people you know and friends, and it's just more fun. So I think यहाँ पे I'm not going to say, oh, that's been a disadvantage. No, I don't think that's relevant at all. हाँ शायद अभी क्योंकि मैंने कैंपेनिंग की है तो मुझे नहीं पता
हाँ.
कि जो ऑपोजिशन वाले हैं वो क्या सोचते हैं. बट यार आई एम हियर बिकॉज ऑफ माय टैलेंट एंड हार्ड वर्क, एंड आई थिंक पीपल शुड सी मी not as, because I'm not here to promote a particular party. I'm not here supporting a party. I'm supporting my father, and every daughter, every son will support their parents no matter what they do, because we love them. So it's not an ideology or anything that I'm campaigning against or for. So yeah, I don't think that matters. People, if they want to cast me, they'll cast me for my talent.
Absolutely. But how was it to actually go on ground to actually meet these people while you were campaigning? You must have got to know about the feedback they had for you also as an actor.
You know, it was so gratifying because आप जब social media पे रहते हैं, then you know you only probably read one side of it, and you don't really see that one-on-one interaction with people जो अब नहीं है. You know, going back to where I come from is so gratifying, because you see actually how people are proud of you कि आप कहाँ से कहाँ तक पहुंचे on your own. तो वो जो मैंने feeling जो उनकी आंखों में देखा है वो मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती. It's not something that I can describe in words, but it has been the most beautiful feeling. और इसीलिए जब मैं इस बार वहां गई तो मुझे लगा यार बहुत कुछ करना है. अपने लिए तो किया है, you know, थोड़ा बहुत जो भी किया है, वहां से आके एक अपना नाम बनाया है. Trollers can say whatever, but it's taken me 15 years to even be here and to survive, you know, in my own way. So it's not that easy. बट अब ऐसा लगता है कि यार अब उनके लिए कुछ करना है, तो पहले कुछ अपने लिए नाम बनाओगे तभी किसी और के लिए कुछ कर पाओगे.
Thank you. Thank you, Neha.
थैंक
Bye-bye.
यू.